यमुनतिरवनचारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी जय राधा माधव कुंज विहारी गोपीजन वल्लभ गिरिवरधारी हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे लाउडली हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे जय राधा माधव राधे जय जगन्नाथ जय बलदेवा सुभद्रमा जय सुदर्शना जय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय गौरनिताय जय गौरनिताय जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय प्रभुपाद जय जय निताय गौर हरि बोल निताय गौर हरि बोल हरिनाम संकीर्तन की, श्रील प्रभुपाद की, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे। Hare Krishna. Welcome all of you for the Sunday Love Feast program. So, we are continuing our discussion on Bhagavad Gita. Basically, every Sunday at the 11:30 we will be discussing on Bhagavad Gita in English. So, we were discussing about the 6th chapter in the last class. I'm not sure how many of you were there present and you were trying to understand this. So, His Grace Radhakant Prabhu covered until 23rd shloka, 20, 21, 22, 23, I think, the previous shlokas. So, we will cover today 6th chapter, 24th shloka. Everyone repeat after me. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Okay. So, how many of you remember what is the discussion happened? Anyone remember? Or at least what was the topic of that last Sunday in the Love Feast program? No? The characteristics of a yogi who is in Yoga Rudha stage. That was the topic. And so whoever doing the yoga and what are all the characteristics they should have or they will have, and so that they will attain perfection in the Yoga Rudha stage. So from there, so after that, it's a kind of topic we continue with, how to attain perfection in yoga or in Ashtanga Yoga. Actually, this chapter is all about yoga, Ashtanga Yoga. I think recently we celebrated, right, Yoga, International Yoga Day. How many of you did the yoga asanas on that day? No? Okay, one. Very few. That means like we are not, sorry. So we are not identifying or we are not, trying to understand what is this yoga. So basically on International Yoga Day, actually the International Yoga Day, who announced it? Who announced it actually? Narendra Modi announced it, right? Narendra Modi announced and wanted to be popular. It's already popular around the world, but he wanted to make it, one symbolic day, and so that everyone will be, participating in the yoga and identifying the yoga. So basically when we were discussing about this International Yoga Day, actually I went to one of the school on the same day and yoga day to teach something to the kids, actually on the Bhagavad Gita shlokas and so on. So before that the discussion was happened about the yoga. There was a yoga teacher who was explaining about the yoga, asanas, how to do the pranayama and what is your body posture, how to do that and so on. So that is fine. Actually, that is a kind of yoga we can call. We can call it as yoga, but it's all on the material plane, physical body fitness. Hare Krishna. So basically that is on the physical fitness point of view. Most of the people do yoga because they wanted to maintain their physical health actually, physical fitness. Most of the people does. Here Krishna explains to Arjuna about the yoga, and that gives an impression that its discussion is all about Ashtanga yoga. Okay, yama, niyama, pranayama, pratyahara, all the 8 stages of the yoga, and from there how to attain peace. So that level we most of the times we discuss. But actually the yoga, importance of the yoga is to not to attain physical fitness, not to attain peace, to attain Krishna. That is the real goal of yoga. Okay, so we'll continue to look into this 6th chapter 24 sloka, and then we try to understand how to attain perfection in yoga. Okay, you can see. Yeah, I will read it in. So you repeat after me. Sanishchayena yoktavyo, sanishchayena yoktavyo, yogo nirvinna chetasa, sankalpa prabhavan kamam, त्यक्त्वा सर्वानशेषतः, त्यक्त्वा सर्वानशेषतः, मनसैवेन्द्रियग्रामं विनियम्य समन्ततः, सनिश्चयेन योक्तव्यो योगो निर्विन्न चेतसा, संकल्प प्रभवान कामां, त्यक्त्वा सर्वानशेषतः, मनसैवेन्द्रियं ग्रामं विनियम्य समन्ततः. One more time. सनिश्चयेन योक्तव्यो योगो निर्विन्न चेतसा, संकल्प प्रभवान कामां, त्यक्त्वा सर्वानशेषतः, मनसैवेन्द्रियग्रामं विनियम्य समन्ततः. Can anyone try? From Prabhu's? No one? No one wants to try? Sanischayena yoktavyo yogo nirvinna chetasaha, sankalpa prabhavan kaman, त्यक्त्वा सर्वानशेषतः, मनसैवेन्द्रियग्रामं विनियम्य समन्ततः. Anyone else? Mataji? सनिश्चयेन योक्तव्यो योगो निर्विन्न चेतसा, संकल्प प्रभवान कामास, त्यक्त्वा सर्वानशेषतः, मनसैवेन्द्रियग्रामं विनियम्य समन्ततः. Anyone else? Okay. So please repeat after me. We'll read individual meanings of the letters, words. Sa, that. Nischayena, with firm determination. Yoktavyaha, must be practiced. Yogaha, yoga system. Anirvinna chetasa, without deviation. Sankalpa, mental speculations. Prabhavan, born of. Kaman, material desires. Tyaktva, giving up. Sarvan, all. Asheshataha, completely. Manasa, by the mind. Eva, certainly. Indriyagramam, the full set of senses. Viniyamya, regulating. Samantaha, from all sides. Translation will read. One should engage oneself in the practice of yoga with determination and faith and not be deviated from the path. One should abandon without exception all material desires born of mental speculation and thus control all the senses on all sides of the mind. Purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. The yoga practitioner should be determined and should patiently prosecute the practice without deviation. One should be sure of success at the end and pursue this course with great perseverance, not becoming discouraged if there is any delay in the attainment of success. Success is sure for the rigid practitioner. Regarding Bhakti Yoga, Rupa Goswami says, Utsaha nischayat dhairyat tat karma pravartanat sangat tyagat sato vrutte shadbhir bhakti prasidhyati. One can execute the process of Bhakti Yoga successfully with full-hearted enthusiasm, perseverance and determination, by following the prescribed duties in the association of devotees and by engaging completely in activities of goodness. Upadeshamrita, 3rd sloka. As for determination, one should follow the example of the sparrow who lost her eggs in the waves of the ocean. A sparrow laid her eggs on the shore of the ocean, but the big ocean carried away the eggs on its waves. The sparrow became very upset and asked the ocean to return her eggs. The ocean did not even consider her appeal, so the sparrow decided to dry up the ocean. She began to pick out the water in the small beak, and everyone laughed at her for her impossible determination. The news of her activity spread, and at last Garuda, the gigantic bird carrier of Lord Vishnu, heard it. He became compassionate toward his small sister bird, and so he came to see the sparrow. Garuda was very pleased by the determination of the small sparrow, and he promised to help. Thus Garuda at once asked the ocean to return her eggs, lest he himself take up the work of the sparrow. The ocean was frightened at this and returned the eggs. Thus the sparrow became happy by the grace of Garuda. Similarly, the practice of yoga, especially Bhakti Yoga in Krishna consciousness, may appear to be a very difficult job. But if anyone follows the principles with great determination, the Lord will surely help. For God helps those who help themselves. So, we'll chant the prayers first and then we'll continue our discussion. Hope you can see. Okay. Om Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjanashalakaya Chakshurunmilitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kada Mahyam Dadati Swapadantikam Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Yuta Padakamalam Shri Gurun Vaishnavamscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sahagana Raghunadhanvitam Tam Sajivam साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सहगणललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च हे कृष्णकरुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णप्रेष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिन् इति नामिने नमस्ते सारस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेष शून्यवादी पाश्चात्यदेशतारिणे वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। वन मोर टाइम लाउडली हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। मुखं करोति वाचालं भङ्गं लङ्घयति Okay, so this shloka talks about the determination, which is very, very important in our lives. Whether you take students' life, whether we take the professional life, or if we take the personal life, everywhere we need to have the determination. Without determination, it's very difficult for us to move forward in our lives. For example, if we take students, so what they need to do? They need to read and they need to study in their, whatever the classes they are studying. They have to put their efforts. And, nowadays it's a kind of the structure of the education changed and we have, semester exams and so that we are getting results very easily. But in the past, it used to be exams and there, but at the end, all the syllabus will be covered and we attempt the study from this moment. Every day we go to the school and we read, the teachers will explain about the subjects and then after that we practice, especially maths, physics, chemistry, we'll feel, very tough. At least for myself, it's very tough to, understand and do that. So we have to keep the momentum until 1 year. We have to have the determination for the small thing in the student's life. If we take in the professional life, in the professional life, once we are done with our, we wanted to get into a job, right? Once we start with the job trials and go and, attend the interviews, and after that we get result, after few months, sometimes, for few years. For freshers, sometimes it takes couple of years, they will give the offer letter, but they ask us to come to job on the 2027, 2028, for example. It's very difficult to understand whether I need to wait until that time or do I need to search for another job. But the company is good. So there is a determination needed in the professional life. Similarly, the personal life is also needed determination, because after getting into the personal life, you have to the people will get married, you have wife, husband, children, and you wanted to accumulate wealth, you wanted to increase your bank balance. Every time it becomes 1 lakh, 2 lakhs, 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, but we need to have some vision. By 2030, I wanted to build a house, I wanted to buy a car. You have to have a determination. You see, Bhagavad Gita explains very well for everyone. Krishna gives a lot of knowledge for each and every human being in this society. Determination. Here it is talking about the determination, yoga practice, but it talks about the determination. So when we are doing our activities in our daily life, we have to have the determination. So it's on the physical or material plane. Just you think, what about yoga? Actually, just I wanted to remind or recall what is yoga, and so that you can understand if there are people who are new. Yoga means connecting oneself or soul to the super soul, Krishna. That is actually called as yoga, not the physical exercises. Physical exercises are whatever the yoga activities we do in our regular life, that is to maintain our body, and at the same time if we perform Ashtanga yoga, and then that gives you a capacity to control your senses. After controlling the senses, what we will do? Because anyway this human life is going to be end. I mean the life is going to be end one fine day. It's not a permanent thing, right? One fine day, birth, death, old age and disease. These four are common for everyone. So obviously we will be losing our physical body. Then there is no point of controlling the senses and okay, I am done. I control my senses. I attain peace. There is no point. Controlling the senses with yoga, that should lead to Krishna consciousness or Bhakti yoga. Connecting us to Krishna is the ultimate goal. If we attain that, then we can say that we attained perfection in yoga. Otherwise there is no point. One of the, we see a lot of people do yoga. Do you name anyone who is famous in the yoga? Patanjali yoga we know, right? So he does lot of physical activities. He rotates his stomach. Sometimes I have seen his video. He rotates all the parts in the stomach. Okay, that's fine. You got the right health, but how long it is going to be with you? Until old age. For example, if you live 70, 80 years or 100 years, after that this physical body is going to be, we have to leave this body and soul will travel to the other physical body. So this is the point which we need to understand in the yoga. Okay, so this determination what we are talking about here, and also along with that what we have to do, what we have to have, faith also we need to have. As I said, for student, he need to have a faith that whatever I am learning, I am going to remember at the time of exam. If that faith is not there, and then he will fail, right? And even if you go to the professional life or personal life, everywhere you have to have the faith whatever you are doing. Similarly, in the yoga system or in the bhakti yoga or even normal Ashtanga yoga if you talk about, you have to have the determination and also faith. And that should be a kind of situation where you should not deviate from your path. Right? For example, one of the student wants to attain IAS. I think IAS group 1 exam we have to attempt, right? Only 5 times they will give you the option. After 5 attempts and you are not eligible. That means like first attempt, second attempt, third attempt, but his determination and his faith, he wanted to attain IAS, he need to be in the same path. He cannot deviate from his path, right? For example, who is preparing for IAS, if he goes out and enjoy with friends and watches movies, cricket, he plays cricket, and he will try to attempt the IAS. Is it possible to get the IAS? No, right? That means he is deviating from his path. His path is towards IAS, but he is deviating from that. He is going and watching cricket, IPL, World Cup, and this, that. Sometimes, he goes and plays and he thinks that I am the captain of this, this team. But at the end of the day, he comes to home and he starts reading for IAS. So it's not possible for him to attain or get the IAS. Similarly, if any person who wanted to perfect in yoga, who wanted to connect to Krishna, he need to have the determination, faith, and he should not deviate from his path. Hope you got the point, what I'm saying. You have to have the faith, determination, and you have to be in the same path. How? If you wanted to continue your bhakti yoga, you need to be in the association of the devotees. Otherwise, it's very difficult, right? If you go out from this temple, and then we are bounded by many things. Maya will, cover us. We think when we enter into the temple, yes, from today I will, chant 8 rounds. Once I go home, and then many things pops up. Big TV screen there inside the home. Someone switches on and then keeps on changing the channels. By end of the day, it's 6 o'clock already. We lost. So that means if we wanted to continue our, determination and bhakti yoga, we have to be in the association of the devotees. Okay. So here also what he's saying, it's gone. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So hope you can see now. Okay. So I will show you some presentation as well. Here, not becoming discouraged if there is any delay in the attainment of success. Okay. As I said, IAS 5 attempts, 1 attempt, 2 attempts, 3 attempts, 4 attempts. Even in 5th attempt, I need to get the IAS job. It's a right message for the student, right? So he should not discouraged. Similarly, in the bhakti yoga, when we started, our journey with devotion, initially we think that these many rules I need to follow to attain Krishna. These many rules I need to be in the, to be in the Krishna consciousness. No, it's very difficult. I give up and go home and sleep. Then you are lost. If you wanted to be in the, that path and Krishna consciousness, you have to move according to that. You should not be discouraged. Might be in the beginning you may fall down. Might be we have everyone seen the small baby. They starts with the steps, right? They fell down, and again they stand up and they start. Like that they practice, and one fine day, we are all grown up like that only, right? We fell down and we again stand up and walk. Like that we come into this stage. Similarly, whatever the yoga, bhakti yoga which we are practicing, we have to be very careful and we should not be discouraged. That is a kind of, even if there is any delay in attaining the success. Success is sure for the rigid practitioner. Who practices, he will get the success for sure. So here, this shloka is very, very important, which is, from Nectar of Instruction, Upadeshamrita, 3rd shloka. Utsahan nischayat dhairyat tat karma pravartanat sangatyagat satovrutte shadbhir bhaktir prasidhyati. It is talking about how to increase or how to attain bhakti. So if you see, just I will show you that and so that you can understand. Utsahat, this is the shloka from Upadeshamrita, okay? Utsahat means by enthusiasm. You have to have utsaha all the time in your determination. And nischayat, and you have to have the confidence to continue in the Bhakti Yoga. Dhairyat, we have to have the patience. Tat tat karma, various activities favorable for devotional service. There are many, many activities we can, engage. And so tat tat karma pravartanat. Karma means activities, whatever the actions we are doing. Those activities should be within Krishna consciousness, within the bhakti. Then only we can go forward. Otherwise it's very difficult, right? And pravartanat, by performing, sangatyagat, by giving up the association of non-devotees. That means, if you wanted to move towards one direction, you have to follow who are going in the direction, right? Otherwise, your direction will change. So, if you want to go in the Bhakti Yoga, in the devotional service or in the devotion, what you have to do? You have to follow the footprints of our great acharyas like Srila Prabhupada. There are many, many devotees also practicing by reading the Bhagavad Gita as it is, and Bhagavatam, which is given by Srila Prabhupada to all of us. If you read Bhagavad Gita, then you understand what is your human life and what is this, nature, and what is this Prakriti, Jiva, Kala, Karma, what are all the things which are there in this nature, you can understand that. If you don't want to go into that, and then you should not read, basically. But if you want to understand the importance of human life, you have to read, practice. Okay? That means like here, by giving up the association of the non-devotees. If you are in the association of the bad friends, what will happen? Automatically, you will get the bad habits in your life, right? In student life, we see lot of people. In one house, there are two students. One is associated with a good good boy, and then he become a good person in their life. And one got association with the bad people, who smokes and who drinks, who do lot of other activities and so on. So, it all depends on which association you are in. So, here, what Rupa Goswami is suggesting, you go away from the non-devotees, and so that you will be in the devotional service, or you will be in the Bhakti Yoga. Okay? And Satah of the great previous Acharyas. As I said, in Guru Parampara we have to, follow the footsteps, or understand what they mentioned and how they are following and so on. By following the footsteps, by these 6 devotional service. What are all those? As I said, enthusiasm, confidence, patience, activities favorable for the devotional service. All these principles, being patient, acting according to the regulative principles, and hearing, chanting and remembering Krishna. So all these activities, if you follow this, and your bhakti will increase in the Bhakti Yoga. Okay. So, I will show you, or I will tell you a couple of stories. So, this story is mentioned in the purport itself, right? Do you observe, right? It is mentioned here, for determination one should follow the example of the sparrow. So, you can listen carefully what it does. There is a sparrow. It is living, very nearby ocean. So, it laid eggs nearby to the ocean. So, sometimes what will happen? Ocean will, the water will come and the eggs went into the ocean. And the sparrow is very sad. And then it asks the Samudra Deva, please give me back my eggs. He asks. The Samudra Deva, he doesn't respond. Again he asks. Again the sparrow, she asks, please give me back my eggs. And then as he is not responding, it says, it takes shapat by saying that I dry up all this ocean if you don't give me back my eggs. See the determination. It's this very small sparrow. You see the sparrows on the, trees, they come and they take, small, small grains and eat and live. But the determination is like that. It wanted to dry up the ocean. Is it possible? It's very difficult. It's even not possible for the sparrow, in case of sparrow. So, but the determination is there. And when this information reached to the other, nearby creatures and the people, they were laughing. What is this? This is a small sparrow and it is saying that it dries up the ocean. Not at all possible. And then this news went to Garuda. Garuda is the, Vahana of Vishnumurti and Krishna. And then sparrow is the bird. Garuda is also the bird, and Garuda immediately understand, okay, there is something is happening with my bird's family, then let me go there. And it comes to the ocean and it warns, you have to give back the eggs of the sparrow, otherwise I dry up you. Is it possible for Garuda? Yes, it is possible for Garuda to dry up ocean because he is the, personal servant of Krishna and Vishnu. So he have powers. He begs Krishna, please, my bird is, my sparrow friend is, suffering. Can you help me? And then it's a fraction of seconds, the ocean can be dried up. See, in this story, the determination of the sparrow is very, very high. Might be it is not able to dry up, but someone came and helped the sparrow. The Garuda came and helped her. Similarly, what Srila Prabhupada says in the purport, whoever tries to attain Krishna or who wanted to be in the association of devotees, who wanted to continue their devotion, Krishna will help you all. Because you are trying yourself. It might be we are very, teeny particles in this nature, in this Srishti. It's very difficult, especially in the Kali Yuga, it is very difficult to do the devotion. Because we have lot of Maya around us, a lot of people with demoniac nature, like Hiranyakashipu qualities, So it's very difficult. If you go out and someone will catch you and take you to the different path. In case of youth, they take them to the bars, pubs, what not. So, if you have determination, God will help you to continue in the devotion. Then you can attain the perfection. So this is one of the story. And most of you already know the story of Prahlad. How many of you know the Prahlad story? Okay. So whoever don't know, what we have to do, we have to read Bhagavatam. There are many stories like Prahlad Maharaj story. So Prahlad Maharaj is son of Hiranyakashipu, right? And he is a devotee of Krishna or Vishnu, Narayana. He got the knowledge from his guru, Narada Muni, about this with some situations, because it may prolong if I complete the story. So his determination is bhakti, and he wanted to chant Narayana mantra all the time. But Hiranyakashipu don't likes Vishnu. So one day, actually he sends him to the Gurukul. Hiranyakashipu sends Prahlad Maharaj to Gurukul and asks his gurus to give a lot of knowledge, and he gains the knowledge of all Vedas. And Hiranyakashipu asks him to teach the Asura preachings, about the Rakshasa Pravrutti. But Prahlad Maharaj is very soft, and he is already devotee, born with a devotional knowledge, and he is a Bhagavat. So with this knowledge, he is always chanting Narayana mantra. And one day, Hiranyakashipu asked Prahlad Maharaj, what you learned? And then he explains about the Narayana. And then his angry becomes, he becomes very angry. And then he says, he gives, a lot of punishments to Prahlad Maharaj. Still his determination, his faith on Narayana don't change. He keeps on chanting, and all the obstacles, all the punishments which are given by Hiranyakashipu is, for him it's very simple, and he easily crosses those punishments. With all these problems, still he is continuing his devotion with a determination. And at the end, Hiranyakashipu gets angry and he asks, where is your Narayana? Where is your Krishna? Please show me. With the anger, Hiranyakashipu asked, is he there in that pillar? And then Prahlad Maharaj says, yes, he is there in that pillar. Do you want to see? Yes. And then he hits the pillar, and Lord Narasimha appears and kills Hiranyakashipu. Right? So, if you see the qualities of Prahlad Maharaj here, because this is very important to attain the perfection in yoga, in the Bhakti Yoga especially, because in the Kali Yuga it is very difficult to go with the Ashtanga Yoga, and so it is easy to attain Krishna in the Bhakti Yoga. Is, if you see, unflinching faith in the Lord. He is having a lot of faith, you can see, right? And peaceful, he is always peaceful. Whatever the punishments given by Hiranyakashipu, he never, disturbed with those. And he is very, energetic, sober person. No enmity on anyone. Whoever punishes him, and he never thinks, okay, he is punishing me, because he is a kind of person, Vidya Vinaya Sampanne Brahmane Gavihastini. He looks everyone's same. Everyone is a soul kind of thing. No, full control on senses and mind. He is having full control on the senses. Kind to every living entity. He is very kind to all the living entities. Best friend of everyone. Free from unnatural pride. He even don't have pride also. See, these are all the qualities we have to have in our student life, professional life, personal life, wherever you are. If you have these qualities, and then you will be perfect in your life, and you will have control on the things what you are doing, and you can attain Krishna. That is the moral, that is the understanding we can take from Prahlad Maharaj story. It's same, right? Utsahan nischayat dhairya tat tat karma pravartanat sangat Tyagat Shanti, what is that? Utsahan Nishchayat Dhairya Tat Tat Karma Pravartana Sangat Tyagat Sato Vritti Shadbhir Bhakti Prasiddhyate. His bhakti is improved with these qualities. Similarly, you might know the story of Dhruva Maharaj, right? He is also having the determination. He got some problems and he wanted to see Lord Vishnu. And he got an instruction from the Guru. We have to take an note that the importance of Guru is also very, very important. In the Utsahan Nishchayat Dhairyat, we have Tadviddi Pranipatena Priprashnena Sevaya Upadekshanti Te Jnanam Jnaninas Tattvadarshinaha. You have to reach to a Guru and ask the right questions, and so that you can get the knowledge, and using that knowledge you try to advance in the bhakti. So like this, here Dhruva Maharaj got the instructions from Narada Muni how to do tapasya for Vishnumurti, Narayana, Krishna. Okay, then he started doing the tapasya, and he did very, long, continuous tapasya for to see Lord. And sometimes he stops eating few months, and gradually he stops breathing, and he stands on the fingers with that all the lokas will be, bewildered. What is happening with this? Prahlad Maharaj, Dhruva Maharaj, what he is doing? He wanted to see the God, his Lord. And then all the devatas went to Vishnumurti and asked, so we are not able to, bear with the heat which is coming from the Prahlad Maharaj tapasya. So, you can understand the determination, faith. He wanted to see Bhagavan. He continues, and then Lord Vishnu appears in front of him and he asks, what is your problem? And then he forget all his problems and he surrender and he obeisances to Lord Vishnu. Hope you understand. These three things, if you see sparrow, it is having the faith, determination, confidence, and there is no discouragement, never discouraged. If you see the Prahlad Maharaj story, and there also determination, faith on the Lord, he continued his devotion, whatever the punishments, whatever the problems he got. In our life also we get lot of problems in our lives, right? Sometimes, students take suicide attempts for the smaller things. That's very, very negligible problem in their life. We have to have many, years of life which is given by Krishna, not to, complete your life in the 20s, 15s, 20s, 30s. So you have to have the determination and you have to have the strength to face the problems. So that kind of knowledge and the determination will come when you start reading Bhagavad Gita. Otherwise it's very difficult to sustain in this material world. And if you understand the Dhruva Maharaj, his determination, faith towards the Lord. So overall, just a kind of conclusion for all these information is, if we wanted to attain Krishna in Bhakti Yoga, we have to have determination, we have to have faith, and we have to have confidence, and we should bear with failures, discouragement. There should not be any discouragement. Then only we can attain Bhakti Yoga. See, Ashtanga Yoga, one way it controls the senses, but to attain Krishna we have to have these qualities. There is some more information in the Upadeshamruta. Vacho vegam, manasakrodha vegam, jihva vegam, udaropastha vegam. We have to control all these things, and so that we can continue our devotion and continue with the devotional service and so on. But all these is possible only when we are in the right association. So I thank you everyone who came to ISKCON Attapur temple and attending the Bhagavad Gita discourses and Bhagavatam discourses and taking the Lordship's darshan and taking the prasadam. And this is a kind of starting point so that we continue our devotional service and we attain our perfection in the yoga. Shri Shri Radha Madhav ki, Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Mai Sudarshan ki, Gaur Nitai ki, Srila Prabhupada ki. Anyone have any questions for few minutes and then we'll conclude. So actually yoga, there are, as you said, Raja Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Dhyana Yoga. These are all the yogas which leads to Bhakti Yoga. In the ladder, Bhakti Yoga is the ultimate. Because whatever the yoga you are doing, it doesn't mean that you will be here and you will continue to do that yoga. No, right? One day we will be leaving our physical body. The soul will move away from this physical body. So where it is moving? It is moving. Okay. So where it is moving actually? So it is moving somewhere. We have to understand that, and we have a connection with Krishna, and Krishna is the supreme controller of everything, and then you have to do the devotional service towards Krishna's lotus feet. So that is the ultimate goal of everything, whatever the yoga you do. So if we understand that, and then we continue with the Bhakti Yoga, especially in Kali Yuga, it is very, very important to continue with Bhakti Yoga. And because all other yogas, if I ask anyone to sit for 15-20 minutes and concentrating on your tip of nose and breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, you don't remember anything. Is it possible? Not at all possible in Kali Yuga, at least based on my understanding. For many people, maybe there are sadhus, gurus, they might try to attain the siddhas with that, but it's very difficult in Kali Yuga for the normal people. For normal people, it is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Is there any difficulty to take this Mahamantra? It's very simple. You can sit anywhere, you take your bead bag, or you can take on your fingertips, you do chanting and try to attain Krishna. Okay? Thank you very much. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Srimad Bhagavad Gita ki jai.
যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নাগর যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নাগর গোকুল রঞ্জন কান গোপী পরানধন গোপী পরানধন মদন মনোহর কালিয় দমন বিধান যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নগর গোকুল রঞ্জন কান অমল হরিনাম আমি অবিলাস বিপিন পুরন্দর নবীন নগর বড় বিপিন পুরন্দর নবীন নগর বড় বংশীবদন সুবাসা বংশীবদন সুবাসা যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নগর যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নগর গোকুল রঞ্জন কান গোকুল রঞ্জন কান ব্রজ জন পালন অসুর কুল নাশন ব্রজ জন পালন অসুর কুল নাশন নন্দ ধন রাখো আলা নন্দ ধন রাখো আলা গোবিন্দ মাধব নবনীত তস্কর গোবিন্দ মাধব নবনীত তস্কর সুন্দর নন্দ গোপাল যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নগর যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নগর গোকুল রঞ্জন কান গোকুল রঞ্জন কান যমুনা তটচর গোপী বসন হর যমুনা তটচর গোপী বসন হর রাসর শিক কৃপা ময় শ্রী রাধা বল্লভ বৃন্দাবন নটবর শ্রী রাধা বল্লভ বৃন্দাবন নটবর ভকতি বিনোদয়াশ্রয় ভকতি বিনোদয়াশ্রয় যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নগর যশোমতি নন্দন ব্রজবর নগর গোকুল রঞ্জন কান নিতাই গৌড়া হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল নিতাই গৌড়া হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরি বল হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Jaya Radha Madhav Jaya Radha Madhav Jaya Nitai Gaurango Jaya Nitai Gaurango Jaya Jagannatha Balodeva Subhadra Mai Jaya Sudarshana Jaya Prabhupada Nitai Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Namaste Narasimhaya Namaste Narasimhaya Prahlado Dayine Hiranyakashipur Bhakshaha Shitatanka Khalaye Shilatanka Khalaye Ito Nisingho Parato Nisingho Ito Nisingho Parato Nisingho Jato Jato Jami Tato Nisingho Jato Jato Jami Tato Nisingho Ohi Nisingho Hridaye Nisingho Ohi Nisingho Hridaye Nisingho नरसिंहमदिं शरणं प्रपदे नरसिंहमदिं शरणं प्रपदे तव करकमलबरे नखा अद्भुत शृङ्गादलिता हिरण्यकशिपु तनुभृङ्गा केशवधृत नरहरिरूप जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय नृसिंहदेव 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 जय नृसिंहदेव जय प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज प्रहलाद महाराज जय प्रहलाद महाराज जय जय प्रभुपाद 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 निताय गौरा हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल।
हरे कृष्ण। सभी लोग प्रणाम करिए। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तरशत श्री श्रीमद हिज डिवाइन ग्रेस अभय चरणारविंद भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी श्रील प्रभुपाद की। इस्कॉन बीबीटी फाउंडर आचार्य सेवियर ऑफ द होल वर्ल्ड जगत गुरु श्रील प्रभुपाद की। जय ओम विष्णुपाद परमहंस परिव्राजकाचार्य अष्टोत्तरशत श्री श्रीमद भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी महाराज श्रील प्रभुपाद की। अनंत कोटि वैष्णव भक्त वृंद की। नामाचार्य श्रील हरिदास ठाकुर की। प्रेम से कहो श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवास आदि गौर भक्त वृंद की। श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गोप गोपीनाथ श्याम कुंड राधा कुंड गिरि गोवर्धन की। ब्रजभूमि वृंदावन धाम की। मायापुर नवद्वीप धाम की। पुरुषोत्तम क्षेत्र जगन्नाथपुरी धाम की। गंगा मई की। यमुना मई की। भक्ति देवी की। तुलसी महारानी की। पतित पावन हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र की। All glories to the assembled devotees Hare Krishna. All glories to the assembled devotees Hare Krishna. All glories to the assembled devotees Hare Krishna. All glories unto Sri Sri Guru and Sri Gauranga. All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada ki। हरे कृष्णा। सभी लोग 5 मिनट के लिए बैठ जाइए। थोड़ा अनाउंसमेंट्स करेंगे, फिर आप लोग प्रसाद के लिए जा सकते हैं। प्लीज गो लिटिल बिहाइंड एंड सिट सो दैट देयर विल बी एनफ स्पेस फॉर एवरीवन टू सिट। सो लास्ट वीक बहुत सारा फेस्टिवल्स हुए थे। सबसे पहले मंडे निर्जल एकादशी किए थे। बहुत सारे भक्त लोग निर्जल उपवास किए थे और उसके पश्चात द्वादशी का पारण किए थे। और उसी वीक हमको पानी हट्टी फेस्टिवल आया था। फिर 2 दिन के बाद कल स्नान यात्रा आया था, जगन्नाथ स्वामी का स्नान यात्रा। कितना लोग थे कल स्नान यात्रा में? 1 2 3 बस इतना सारा लोग कल इतना बड़ा फेस्टिवल को मनाने के लिए नहीं आया। ये ठीक नहीं है। हाँ, सो कल जगन्नाथ स्वामी का अभिषेक हुआ था। हाँ, दैट वाज द बर्थडे ऑफ जगन्नाथ एक्चुअली। हाँ, जगन्नाथ का आविर्भाव हुआ था और उस दिन महाराज इंद्रद्युम्न जगन्नाथ स्वामी को निलाया था। सो इसलिए एवरी ईयर इस महीने का पौर्णमी में स्नान यात्रा किया जाता है। सो हमारा मंदिर में पहले बार इस त्योहार को मनाया था। सो कल बहुत अच्छा ग्रैंडली हुआ था। सो दिस वीक टुडे इज ऑल्सो a Vaishnava festival. It is Shyamananda Pandit's disappearance day, Tirobhav Divas. Shyamanand Pandit is also one of the important personality in the line of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's disciples, and उनका डिसाइपल्स उड़ीसा में वगैरह बहुत प्रीच किए थे, हरे कृष्ण महामंत्र का बहुत प्रचार किए थे। सो he was Shyamananda Pandit is one devotee who received blessings from राधा रानी। राधा रानी स्वयं उनको तिलक पहनाती है श्यामानंद पंडित को। सो वो श्यामानंद पंडित वर्शिप किया हुआ टेम्पल है राधा श्याम सुंदर टेम्पल वृंदावन में। सो अभी भी हम दर्शन कर सकते हैं। और आने वाला 13 तारीख जुलाई 13 को हम श्री श्री जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा सुदर्शन का रथ यात्रा करने वाले हैं। सो आप लोग जो संडे प्रोग्राम आके जाने से कुछ नहीं होता है, कंपलसरी फेस्टिवल्स में ज़रूर आना चाहिए। सो 13 जून जगन्नाथ रथ यात्रा रहेंगे और 13 जुलाई। सो हम मंदिर से रथ को निकालेंगे करीबन 2 बजे, फिर 6-6:30 बजे सामा भूपाल गार्डन्स में जाएंगे 179 पिलर के पास, 175 पिलर के पास, और उधर समारोह का कार्यक्रम रहेंगे, ड्रामा रहेंगे, बहुत बड़ा त्योहार मनाया जाएगा, भगवान को 56 भोग चढ़ाया जाएगा। सो आप लोग भी किसी को ऐसा सेवा करना चाहते हैं तो इधर का माता जी लोगों से संपर्क कर सकते हैं। हम क्या सेवा कर सकते हैं ये फेस्टिवल के लिए पूछ सकते हैं। और हम इस ऐसा मतलब बड़ा फेस्टिवल मनाने के लिए बहुत सारा धन का आवश्यकता होते हैं। आप लोग धन रूप में भी उस त्योहार में भाग ले सकते हैं दान करके। और दिस वीक 26 जून को श्रील वक्रेश्वर पंडित प्रभु वक्रेश्वर पंडित का आविर्भाव दिवस है। सो मंदिर में उनका स्पेशल लेक्चर रहेंगे। और अक्टूबर 24 को मंदिर से हम वृंदावन यात्रा निकाल रहे हैं। ये डिवोटीज के लिए निकालने वाला यात्रा है। सो अच्छा भक्त लोगों का संग मिलता है, सीनियर वैष्णवों का संग मिलता है। सो उधर अकोमोडेशन, ट्रैवलिंग, एवरीथिंग वी विल टेक केयर। सो जस्ट हमको कथा सुनना है, कीर्तन में भाग लेना है और भक्त लोगों का संग ले सकते हैं। और कुछ भी बहुत सारा मंदिर रहते हैं वो सबका दर्शन करेंगे। वृंदावन का आसपास बहुत सारा कृष्ण भगवान के लीला स्थली रहते हैं। एक एक दिन 1-2 ऐसा हमने विजिट करेंगे और 2 तारीख उधर से वापस लौटेंगे, 3 तारीख आएंगे। सो अक्टूबर 24 को निकल के 3 नवंबर को वापस आएंगे। सो जिनको भी आसक्ति है इस यात्रा के बारे में जानकारी करना है तो मेरे को मिल सकते हैं। ओके, थैंक यू ऑल वेरी मच। अभी प्रसादम प्रेयर्स गाएंगे। महाप्रसादे गोविंदे नाम ब्रह्मणि वैष्णवे स्वल्प पुण्यवतं राजन् विश्वासो नैव जायते शरीरा विद्या जाल जोड़ेन्द्रिया ताहे काल जीवे फैले विषय सागरे तार मध्य जिह्वा अति लोभो मोय सुदुर्मति ताके जेता कठिन संसारे कृष्ण बड़ा दयामा कोरी बारे जिह्वा जाय स्वप्रसादन नदी लोभा से अन्नामृत पाओ श्री श्री राधा कृष्ण गुण गाओ प्रेम डाको श्री चैतन्य निताय। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। सभी साथ में बोलिए, हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। आज एक आखिरी यात्रा के बारे में, 26 अक्टूबर को यात्रा का जो बुकिंग विंडो है वो खुलता है 26 जून को। सो 4 महीने पहले हमने बुक करके कंफर्म करके रखेंगे। सो जिनको कंपलसरी जाना है वो लोग उसके पहले डिसीजन लिया तो अच्छा है, उसके बाद भी ले सकते हैं, मगर टिकट मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा नक्की नहीं रहता है। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच। हरे कृष्णा। यू कैन गो फॉर प्रसाद।
कृष्णा हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे राम, राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम हरे राम, राम राम हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं, श्रीगुरु वैष्णवांश्च, श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगना रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवम् श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगना ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Bhagavati Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar, Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta-vrinda. Bhagavati Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar, Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta-vrinda. Bhagavati Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar, Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta-vrinda. Bhagavati Krishna Chaitanya, Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar, Srivasadi Gaur Bhakta-vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुता पदकमलं श्रीगुरु वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगना रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवम् साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवम् श्रीराधा कृष्णपादां सहगना ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितां हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभो नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद
Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasari Gaur Bhaktavrinda.
भज श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद
Bhaja Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasari Gaur Bhaktavrinda.
हरे कृष्ण Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam Shri Guru Vaishnavangscha Shri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathannitam Tam Sajivam Sadvaitam Savadhutam Parijana Sahitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padam Sagana Lalita Sri Vikatanitam Hare Krishna, Krishna